your next step of Megaminx is to solve OLL for or orientate the last layer. So the first part of that is getting the star created on the top. And again, this is pretty much the exact same as 3x3. So for example, we got this case here. It's going to look like a backwards L. That's going to be equal to this case. So if you know how to solve this case is kind of the same way. You use the algorithm from before. It makes it look like this, which is equivalent to a line. And then you have a star. Now, if you get a case where there's only one edge sticking out, it's pretty much equivalent to the dot OLL that you get on 3x3. So do the algorithm once, you get a line. Hold the line like this, where the one edge is on your right side instead of like this. And then you get your star. So solving your corners or orientating your corners will be actually a little different from 3x3. It can be the same depending on how you do it, but I'm going to show you this way. So when you have your corners left, you're pretty much just going to use, so you're going to hold it, the corner that needs to be solved in your right side, and you're going to do that 4-move sequence as we've always been doing throughout this solve until it gets solved or orientated. Now, you might have a mess up here, like a little bit of a mess here. If you keep it holding it the same way and move this upper layer to one that needs to be solved again, do the algorithm until it's orientated, and then go around the entire Megaminx or go around the entire top layer and do this until they're all done. And if you've done it right, you should have this become solved again. And that's how you solve OLL. Just to show one more example, I'm going to be doing these two corners. So I'm going to hold it like this, and don't ever rotate or regrip, because then it will mess up the position that your bottom half of your Megaminx is going to be in. So right side, that's done. Like that. And if you've done it right, then your bottom half should have stayed solved.